How to fix Twitter lag in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, update app. Open Play Store. Click on your profile. Click on manage apps and device. Click on update available. Now here you will see update apps. Select Twitter app and click on update. After click on update, Twitter app will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting. Scroll down. Click on software and update. Click on download and install. Now here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear cache Twitter. Now open app screen. Tap and hold on Twitter app. Click on information icon. Scroll down. Click on storage. Now here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, Twitter cache will be clear from your phone. This is how you can fix Twitter lag in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.